Hi folks, so I'm going to show you how to install the BEGRIPA by IKEA, the handles on this thing. These are the handles. I have measured this and it's about 900 all the way through, divided it by 3, so 300 and 600, made a mark there, made a mark there. So the next thing I need to mark are these handles. See, it's center there. I'm just doing a rough, like a ballpark, where it will be centered. Now it tells you need these tools. Your Phillips screwdriver, some different thing, I don't know what that is. Drill, 7mm or 1/4 inch. Mine is 7.5mm. And these are the steps. So I'm not really sure why I need to use a clamp there to hold this extra piece of wood which I haven't received. But I guess what it does is when it drills through, it doesn't leave flakes on the other side, like all the splinters and stuff like that. So this is what happened. That's terrible. So this will go on the inside. Goes on the inside. So how is this going to work? Let's just try this first one here. Okay, it's getting close. Hopefully that helps. Feel free to ask any questions, and if you found any value, please subscribe, because I'm trying to grow my channel to at least get to 1000. See you in the next one.